Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we're going to continue our lesson about pattern and sequence. Okay, untuk dekat sini ialah linear sequence. Okay, the highest power is 1 tadi. Okay, so kenapa kita panggil, macam mana kita nak recognize whether that is linear sequence or not? The point is the difference between one term and the next is always the same. Maknanya uniform. Sama je dia punya perbezaan untuk untuk different untuk each term tu sama. So bila dia sama, okay, dia sama automatically dia ialah linear sequence. Okay. So formula dia ialah AN plus B. Sorry saya tahu lah kenapa tak nampak ni. So AN plus B, what is A and what is B? Okay, A is actually the difference between each term and the next term. Maknanya different. Different dia lah perbezaan antara term. Okay. Beza antara term. So dekat sini, A ni different each term. So for this number, okay, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So different dia berapa? Nak check different dia. Second term minus first term ataupun third term minus second term ataupun the fourth term minus third term ataupun fifth term minus fourth term. So kat sini we have second term minus first term. Saya ambil first term ni, so kita dapat 7 minus 5 which is equal to equal to 2, ataupun you can do that 9 minus 7 equal to 2, or 11 minus 9 equal to 2, or 13 minus 11 equal to 2. Ini yang saya cerita tadi lah. The difference between one term and the next is always the same. Automatically, that is the linear sequence. So, what is B? B kat sini ialah the difference between first term. Okay, sorry tak nampak. B is different. Different di mana beza lah. Beza, aku kena tolak. Between first term of the sequence, okay, first term and A. A ni apa? A tadilah. Yang awak dapat tadi. Okay. Okay. So for this one, kan nombor tadi kan 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So n term dia ialah 2 and plus 3. So ini formula dia. This is the n term atau formula for this number sequence. So bila you ada this number, this n term, you can guessing any term of the sequence. Like say, contohlah, okay, saya nak untuk sequence number ni kan, saya nak term yang ke-50. 15th term. Contoh, saya nak term yang ke-50. So takkan awak nak susun dia sampailah yang ke-50 baru jumpa kan. So ambil masa. So cara dia, awak dah dapat tadi this n term. So awak just masukkan 2 tadi, ambil to n tu tadi. Okay. Maknanya n tu ialah sama dengan 50. You gantikan n ni dengan 50. Okay. And then you plus 3. Okay. Maknanya kat sini 2 kali 50 tambah 3. Which is equal to 103. 103 as the 50th term of this sequence number. Tak payah nak tambah sampai sampai term ke-50, wasting your time. Okay. So that is for linear sequence. So we have also for the quadratic sequence. Okay. So quadratic sequence is we have kenapa kita sebut quadratic? Quadratic ialah highest power, maknanya power tu kuasa lah. Kuasa 2, kuasa 3, kuasa 4. The highest power of n. N tu apa? N refer kepada formula n term tadi. Okay. N in n term formula. Okay. Highest power of n is 2. So bila highest power dia 2, automatic we call it as quadratic sequence. Yang ni yang nak check different tadi tak valid lah. Different yang sama equal different of each term itu ialah linear sequence. So bila each term dia berbeza, contoh ini kan 1 tambah 4, 3. Ini pula berapa? 5. Lepas tu 17. So berbeza. Bila berbeza dia bukan linear sequence. So dia adalah sama ada quadratic or cubic. Cubic kita akan belajar kejap lagi. So the end sequence here is kita tengok sebab dia ialah refer kepada power of 2. Power of 2 ialah kalau belajar masa form 1, we call it as square numbers. Ingat ya, square number. Berapa? 1. 1 kuasa 2, 1, 4. 2 square, 4. 3 square, 9. 4 square, 16. 5 square, 25. And 6 square is 36. Okay. So the nth term of square number is n square, where n equal to 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ini contoh dia. Kita boleh tengok, have a look. We have 5, 8, 13, 20, and 29. That is sequence number. Kita nak check, kita nak cari what is the find the and term of this sequence. So dia pun check lah. First kali bila dapat nama sequence, awak check sama ada dia linear ke, ataupun quadratic, ataupun cubic. Okay. So you check the differences. You tengok differences adalah berbeza. Kat sini kita ada beza dia apa? 3, 5, 7, 9. Macam mana dapat 8? Kan 5, 8, 13. Beza dia kat sini. Ini tambah 3. This one tambah 5. Memang berbeza. So, tak sama. So, dia bukan linear sequence. Okay. So, cara yang kedua, kita compare pula. Bila dia bukan linear, awak compare pula dengan square numbers. So, square numbers kita ambil tadi 1, 4, 9, 16, 20, 25. So, awak tengok. Beza dia. We can see that each term is 4 more than a square number. Okay. Okay, kita tengok sini. This one, 5 plus 1, 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. You can see that each term is 4 more than a square number. 4 more than. So, since kat sini lah n square tadi. So, n square 4 more than plus 4. Okay. So, ini dia punya n term. Nak recheck. Okay. So, okay. Kita recheck dulu. Kita ambil n square plus 4. Check kita check. Okay. Let's say kita ambil term yang kelima, which is fifth term. So, kita masukkan n dengan 5. 5 kuasa 2 tambah 4. So, 25 plus 4, which is 29. Sama tak? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Term yang kelima ialah 29. Okay? So, ini bila ada n square je, kita panggil dia quadratic sequence. Ini ada dalam checkpoint IGCSE, tak ada dalam MOE untuk quadratic sequence. MOE hanya sampai bahagian untuk linear sequence saja. So you learn advance from the other students. Okay. So next is the last one is a cubic sequence. Cubic ialah power of 3. Maknanya n kuasa 3. Okay. Macam tadi sequence quadratic n kuasa 2. Okay. So, cubic numbers is 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. Macam mana dapat ni? 1 kuasa 3, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. Sebab tu kita panggil cube numbers. Okay. So, the n term for the cube number is n cube. So, soalan seterusnya, find the n term of this sequence. Okay. Find the n term of this sequence. We have 0, 7, 26, 63, 124. kita check dulu. Ingat tadi first step is awak check the differences. Kalau tak sama, maknanya dia bukan. So it is not, it's not a linear sequence. Sorry. Okay, so kita check dia punya sequence number. So, kalau dia punya different are not the same, so dia bukan linear sequence. It's not linear sequence. Sorry, ada iklan tadi. So it's not a linear sequence. So kena check lah. So second method, compare the sequence with the square and cube number. So kita pun compare dengan square number. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So macam tak ada rupa persamaan apa ke kan. Dia punya beza pun kalau kata ni 1, ni 3, and this one 17. Tak sekata juga. The different are not the same. So kita compare pula dengan cube numbers. Bila kita compare dengan cube numbers, 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, apa awak boleh tengok? Nampak tak? Berkurang satu number for each term. Okay. Dia kurang, okay. 63, 64, 124, 125, 26, 27, 7, and 8, and then 0 and 1. So we can see that each term is 1 less than a cube number. Okay. Dia kurang satu daripada cube number. Jadi cube number tadi ialah the n terms of cube numbers tadi ialah n to the power of 3 n cube. So berkurang satu daripada cube number tolak 1. So the n term is n cube minus 1. Okay, so nak recheck. Betul ke tak ni? N term awak buat ni. Kita check. Okay. So kita check, kita recheck, we get, let's say, kita nak cari term yang keempat, the fourth term. So kita ambil tadi formula, kita masukkan 4 kuasa 3 tolak 1. So 4 kuasa 3 ialah 64. 64 minus 1, which is equal to 63. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, the fourth term is 63. So that is correct. So that is all about numbers, sequences. So today awak dah belajar what is a pattern and what also sequence. Pattern ada dua, which is for numbers and for object. Untuk number, kita tengok kepada rules dia, sama ada kita add berapa, add ke, kita tolak ke untuk each term. Okay. Lepas tu kita ada pattern tadi, pattern, sorry, kita buat conclusion sikit. Pattern kita ada number, kita ada object, okay. Number tadi ialah dia ada rules based on rule, object pula based on design. Okay, bila number ada rules, ada pattern, so baru kita panggil dia sequence. Okay, sequence pula dia ada rules dia sama macam tadilah. So dia ada n term dia. So kita check sama ada dia linear. Okay. Bila different of each term equal, each term is equal, so dia ialah linear sequence. So yes. What if different of each term is not equal? No. Dia ialah sama ada, dia akan jadi quadratic sequence or cubic sequence. Okay. So saya tambah sikit lah objek tadi. Bila design, awak kena draw. Okay. So that's all about this topic. Okay, see you. So we're going to continue to do some exercises. Okay, thank you all.